Okay, I did promise you guys a room tour. So once again, this is the Sheraton San Diego Marina and Hotel, right behind or in front of, depending on how you want to look at it, San Diego International Airport. Let's see. This should be, yep, this is a closet. Yeah, nice wood paneling though, really nice. This is the restroom. I love their little beachy decor. I'm not really into beachy, but I will say this is really nice because although it may look beachy, it's actually very, very modern. I love it. Very relaxing. It seems to evoke feelings of relaxation. Love it. Rainfall shower head. Toilet with how you'd expect your toilet to work. And the Sheraton is only still in existence because it is owned now by Marriott and accepts Marriott Bonvoy points and grants them in return. Little resort guide here. Marina Tower, Bay Tower, resort amenities. Really nice. Gotta pay for food, of course, but that's to be expected. Unless you have a really specialized deal, there is no reason why you wouldn't. It's the glass patio. Locking mechanism. Very nice overall. I really can't complain. I'm actually a little overdressed, it seems, for this weather. Patio area. You can see downtown San Diego from here. It's really nice. It's area out there. Objects in mirror closer than they appear. By that I just mean it's actually a lot closer than it appears. It's more like, yeah, more like that. Okay, then we got the bed over here. Really nice overall, nice bed. We have USB ports and power outlets in the dresser of all things. Now that is cool. Not sure if you guys can see, but the table actually raises up depending on what you press and lowers depending on your preference. That is really nifty. Nice little furniture here. But yeah, I really am kind of liking this overall. Glass bulb lights, those are really fancy. I like their furniture selection. I really like the ambiance. I've stayed in quite a few hotels, and one of the things I'm complaining about most is their lack of any real aesthetic decor. This is not one of those hotels. But I'm going to relax and unwind and get something to eat for dinner. You have a good night, everyone, and I will talk to you soon. See you in the air, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.